Bow down. The queen has returned from the kingdom of outside. Prepare the royal lounge attire.
I cross the threshold like a monarch, reclaiming a land. City dust on my cloak, metro grime on my hand. But my palace don't tolerate chaos from the streets. I got velvet lined slippers waiting just for my feet. Outside garments at the door, they knew where they stand. They've been serving all day, now they follow command. My robe of coziness drapes like a royal decree, and my sweatpants fit the throne exclusively on me. Let the trumpet sound soft like a drum up your fleet. For when I change into comfort, my kingdom knows peace. Raise the banners high, my inside clothes reign. Silken cotton ruling every inch of my domain. Keep the outside, outside, let the royal warmth grow. I ascend to my true form in my inside glow. Courtiers of chaos tried to cling to my frame. Train bumps, street noise, people shouting my name. But within these walls I'm divine, I'm renewed. My hoodie is a crown that restores my mood. That hem, immaculate, those seem supreme. This is comfort couture for a monarch's dream. Outside clothes whisper, your majesty, we're done. I send them to the hamper like thank you, begun. Let the candles burn warm, let the plush carpets glow. Only royalty knows the relief of letting the outside go. Raise the banners high, my inside clothes reign. Silken cotton ruling every inch of my domain. Keep the outside, outside, let the royal warmth grow. I ascend to my true form in my inside glow. Inside clothes, inside clothes. Long live the queen in her inside clothes. Street dust shall remain banished. All discomfort cast down, let it be known. The queen's true glory arrives the moment the bra comes off. Raise the banners high, my inside clothes reign. Silken cotton ruling every inch of my domain. Keep the outside, outside, let the royal warmth grow. Long live the queen.